How to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. So now without further ado, let's get started. So to create a Google Docs spreadsheet, first thing first, you have to start by going to the top right corner of your Google homepage and click on the Google Apps icon. And now here from the drop down menu, simply select Drive. And once you are in the Google Drive, simply click on the new button and hover over to the Google Sheet and select Blank Spreadsheets from the side menu. And after that, a new spreadsheet will open. Now here you can start entering values into the cell. For example, you can sum function to add up values like the number of color widgets. Let's say the total comes with the 15 colors. And after that, at the top, you can click on the title to rename it. And one great thing about Google Sheet is that your work is saved automatically to your drive. So you don't need to worry about hitting save. So if you like to organize your spreadsheet, just click on File and then Move. And choose a folder to keep it in. For instance, I'm moving mine to the draft folder. And once moved, your spreadsheet is stored safely in that folder. And if you are using Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, you can access Sheets directly from the Google Apps menu without going through the drive. So just click on Sheets and then click the blank button to start a new spreadsheet. And again, you can rename the file at the top, you can enter your data, and everything saves automatically. And that's how to create and organize a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.